down. Wow, Emma, what's in the bowl?
That's my pet fish, Stripey.
Ooh, it looks so cool. TK, you gotta see this.
Ooh.
It's Emma's fish, Stripey.
Fish! He's so cute. I get it. You named him Stripey because he's got 3 stripes. 1, 2, 3 vertical stripes. Vertical? Vertical means the stripes go up and down. I'd love to float the way he does in the water.
I like him.
Stripey's sad. He does look sad. What's wrong, little guy? He's normally more playful.
Well, let's take him out to play with us.
No, he can't come out of the bowl. Fish need to stay in water.
Don't worry, Emma. We'll find a way to cheer him up.
Aw, thanks, everyone. You really are my best friends.
Yeah, that's it. Stripey needs a friend.
Did you hear that, Stripey? Would you like someone to play with?
That sounds like we've got a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We have to find a fishy friend for Stripey.
That sounds like a great mission. Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops, nobody knows.
Oh, yummy, the veggie planet. Would we find Stripey a friend on the veggie planet? No. Would we find fish on the bouncy ball planet? Nope, not the bouncy ball planet. Would we find fish on the ocean planet?
Yes, the ocean planet. Excellent choice for finding a fishy friend for Stripey. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next stop, the ocean planet.
Whoa, that's a whale. It's beautiful. Maybe he'd be a good friend for Stripey.
I think a whale is a bit too big to fit in Stripey's bowl. We need to find someone more his size. Come on, everyone. Let's go find a fishy friend for Stripey. Whoa! Okay, let's get down to business. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Whoa! Are these fish?
No stripes or scales. Don't wiggle no tails. They have hard shells and great big clackety claws. they're not fishy fish at all.
It will take us forever to search the whole ocean for fishy friends.
TK, we need something that will help us search. Something we can use to see really far.
Magnifying glass? Nope. Glasses? Nuh-uh.
Yeah! This telescope is just what we need. Wow! Everything looks so much closer. Oh no! Orbit is stuck in the seaweed.
Hang on, Orbit.
We'll get you out!
Don't panic. We just need something that can cut this seaweed.
Oh, I know I've got the right tool for the job here somewhere. Hey, our new crabby friend is helping Orbit out.
Huh?
Hey, that plant is the same color as Stripey. In fact, it even kind of looks like his stripes.
Huh? Ooh, Orbit! You found friends for Stripey! Ooh. Yeah!
Look, these fish all have 1, 2, 3 stripes, just like Stripey.
It looks like Emma has an idea. Let's find out what she's doing with Stripey.
Yay, Stripey! I think he'll be happier if he stays here where he has lots of fishy friends.
Looks like that's mission accomplished. Mission Control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, Emma's fish Stripey wasn't happy, so our mission was to find him some fishy friends. We needed to find a place where fish live, and the ocean planet was the right place. It had a lot of different strange creatures living there. Some were huge, others were very strange and a little scary. We learned that a telescope can make it easier to see things that are far away. We also learned how much fun it is to make new friends, even if they look a little bit different. Our crabby friends sure were helpful. Then we found a plant that had a pattern just like Stripey's, And in that plant, there were a lot of other fish, and they looked exactly like Stripey. And Emma decided Stripey would be happiest if he stayed with all his new fishy friends.
Well done, Rob. Mission accomplished. I think it's time to go home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!